Hello and welcome back to Kitchen Engineering. Today I'm going to be doing a classical pecan pie versus my experimental new age pecan pie. The main difference is that the experimental one will be using honey instead of caro syrup and no added sugar, as well as my specially crushed pecans versus the classics chopped pecans. Let's do the classic first. First thing you need to do is get 3 eggs and a half a cup of sugar into the mixer. Like so. When prepping with the butter, make sure to have it out for an extra little while so that it can soften at room temperature. No need to mix it up until the entire thing is completely absorbed. This is good enough. Like so. Now for the pecans. I've chosen to use these chopped pecans as replacements for the cut pecans that my aunt usually likes to use. You're supposed to use a cup, but I'm going to go just a little over this time. And then proceed to put it into your frozen pie crust. Once it is in the pie crust, it's ready to go. Next is the experimental pie. It's the same as last time, except this time you skip the sugar and go straight to the stick of butter. Also, these recipes are similar because you let the butter sit out and get soft. Note the difference in how the cake batter looks at this point. Next is the first big addition, the honey. Because the honey is heavier than the current form of the batter, it will be heavier and it will sink to the bottom. Next is the crushed pecans. I decided once again to put in more than a cup because I am finishing off the last of my crushed pecans. Besides, it's more fair that way. At this point, you should go and put your crust in the oven for about 2 minutes after preheating it to 350 degrees. The reason I put these lines like this is to show you at which step you do what. Now that I have mixed in the tablespoon of vanilla, it's time to pour the experimental pie. And this is when you cook both of them at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. After the 50 minutes is up, you can then take it out and let it cool until it's ready to eat. Thanks again for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you would want more experimental recipes to try yourself. I am going to be doing a taste test at one of my relatives' houses, and I'm going to post the results in the description for the video. See you there.